Hello students, today we will study Arduino data types. So what are the different data types that we are using in Arduino? You must have studied in Python also or in some other language these data types. So basically these are of two types. ठीक है, one is primitive that is used from long back है ना, आदि आदि मानव के टाइम से primitive use होता आ रहा है. And one is advanced reference data type. This is latest one that we can create on our own also. So primitive is basically we are using numbers, as you all know. Then we are using text, and then we are also using boolean data type. And then some special characters are also there that we can use, some special data type we can use. Okay, so let's talk about numbers first. So numbers, basically two types are there. Okay, natural numbers are there, and floating or decimal numbers are there, as we know. And in natural number we have divided on the basis of memory size. So byte, short, int and long, these four data types are there. And as you can see, the size of byte will be 1 byte, short will be 2 byte, int will be also 2 byte, and long will be 3 byte. uh, Sorry, long will be 4 byte. And in decimal numbers we have float and double. So these two, the range will specify the amount of numbers after the decimal point. So the numbers after decimal point. So float is for the smaller one, and decimal is for the big decimal numbers. Then after this we have character data type. So character data type, it will store one character for 1 byte. Normally it is same in all the languages. Then we will go to reference data type. So in reference data type we have array, string and word. Array is a continuous memory location, and where you can access anything using index. Similarly, string is a array of characters. So I told you about characters. Inside characters, see, there are so many characters in this world. Every language has their own character. Japanese has different characters. Hindi has different characters. Devanagari has different characters. So all these languages have different characters. All these can be stored in character data type. And then you can form a name using string, that will come in a string. And then finally is word. So word is of 16 bits. 16 bits, we can store anything, alphanumeric, we can store in word. These things are common. Some exceptional cases are also there, but these are the general data types. Boolean data type is also a primitive data type, and in Boolean data type we have true or false as the answer. So also you can learn about range. So if I am telling you if byte can store 8 bit of number, so see, 8 bits are there. So this means 8 fill in the blanks are there, like 8 spaces which you can fill. And we will use only binary number. So for each space, how many places? Two places are there. That's why 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the power 8. And you have to remember that byte will start from 0 only. So it will go from 0 to 2 to the power 8. That will give you 2 to the power 256. 2 to the power 8 is 256. So it is 0 to 255. This is the range of numbers that can be stored in byte. Now if you are inserting bigger number than that, then it will overflow. That data type will not be able to store it. ओके. अभी तो है ना, बहुत आसान लगता है. यू जनरेशन आर फ्रॉम GB TB एरा, है ना. बट इन माई टाइम वी यूज टू इवन यूज फ्लॉपी डिस्क, एंड इवन 1 MB वॉज वेरी बिग फॉर अस. तो मतलब यू हैव टू बी frugal about this thing, ज़्यादा मेमोरी स्पेस नहीं यूज़ करना है, मतलब जितना हमें ज़रूरत है उतना हम यूज़ करें, दैट इज़ बेटर. Otherwise, generally students use int, and that is also okay. And in int you have to take care. See, short, int and long, these are signed. They can store positive and negative integers also. So this you have to take care. And you have to remember this chart also, this data size chart and size and range chart you have to remember. Okay, that's all for today.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।